If a ball is thrown vertically upwards at 6.5 meters per second from a height of 1.5 meters above the ground, calculate the velocity of the ball as it reaches the ground. Okay, so we split our page down the middle, and what I'm going to do is a wee simple diagram of what we have going on. There's the ground, there's the ball's initial position, it's 1.5 meters above the ground. It's going to be thrown upwards in that direction. It's going to go up to some maximum height, and then it's going to fall all the way back down till it hits the ground. So our known information then, we write u vast. Your initial speed is what was thrown up at 6.5. Now we're going to say that up is a positive number, so that's 6.5 meters per second. Our final speed is what we are required to work out. The acceleration is negative 9.8 because gravity is pulling it downwards, and the displacement is also negative because it starts high and ends low and moves downwards, so it's negative 1.5 meters. Tricky bit that, be careful. We don't have any information about the time at all, so we only know three things, so we can in fact work out the velocity v. So what do we know? Well, to solve this one, we're going to use one of our equations of motion, and to remind you of the equations, well, we'll just write the three different equations down here. We've got v equals u plus at, s equals ut plus a half at squared, and v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So we want an equation that's got v in it but doesn't have t in it. There's a t there and there's a t there, so we have to use this one here. So gone, this is the one for us. So v squared equals u squared plus 2as. V squared equals u is 6.5 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times negative 1.5. So these negatives are going to cancel out to give us a positive number. So let's just tidy that up. So v squared equals, and use a calculator for this, so 6.5 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times negative 1.5, and this should give us a positive number, I hope, 71.65. Now that's what v squared is, so v is going to equal the square root of that, so the square root of the answer, and that gives us 8.4646. So let's round that to plus or minus 8.5 meters per second, because remember, when you do the square root of a number, you get two answers. One is positive, the other is negative. So which one do we need? We'll look at the diagram again. It goes up and then it comes down. So at this point it's moving downwards, so it must be the negative one we want. So our velocity is negative 8.5 meters per second. In other words, it's moving downwards.